Hi everybody. Today, by the way, this is Obsidian back again another day with another unboxing. And regarding the sound, I've done a couple of videos trying out some different type of microphones, but I'm not satisfied with any of them. So I'm gonna buy the new Rode wireless whatever, and we will see how that sounds. But until then, it's just me and my iPhone. So today I had an unboxing video for you that me myself hate to watch, because when I want to see an unboxing video, I want to see the full video about one shoe, and I don't like it when the famous YouTube vloggers get like 20 packages of shoes and they just unbox and unbox. But a couple of months ago, not long ago, I bought a whole collection of shoes from a guy. I think 53 pairs or something. And for me, I usually think that when it's an old shoe that you're not available, because of course you're available to buy them, but they are not in stores anymore, I don't care to do an unboxing video about them. But this time, in lack of new shoes to buy, I bought a couple of old shoes. Still brand new, but old. Let's see what we got here. This one is open, so we can start off with this one. This is the, they are not called Spider-Man, but they are the Spider-Man shoes. Spider-Verse. Yeah, I think they're called Spider-Verse. And the reason why I didn't buy them when they were released was because I'm not sure about what I think about the spots. And it's the spots that makes them not your standard Chicago shoes. But everybody says that the quality, the leather quality, is super nice. And I can agree. And I think that the spots, they wear off and it doesn't show that much on distance. But then when you take picture with flash, they will 3M reflected. So yeah, that's those. Nice shoes. I think they go for, I don't know, a Chick Stock X, $250 maybe. And then we can open these three. They were really well packaged, even though I said that I don't care about the boxes because I use these. So if anybody in Sweden or in Malmö wants a bunch of sneaker boxes, mostly Jordan boxes, let me know, because I have a lot of them. So this should be a pair of 5s. Yeah, this is the Air Jordan 5, not copper, bronze. Yeah, I think they're called bronze. And they are nice, and absolutely are. I love the Air Jordan 5 silhouette, but they are very heavy, clumsy shoes. And why I didn't buy them when they were released was because I thought that the blue were supposed to be like metallic blue, much more flashy. This is matte blue, and the copper on the sole, that's about it. And yeah, I maybe prefer it this way because when you have the shiny metallic, the creases is bad. The creases is terrible on the shoes. So these you can use. And these were very underrated when they were released in 2016, I think they were released. Very underrated. There's nothing to complain about the shoe. I haven't heard anybody complain about the quality. Yeah, the Air Jordan 5, it's big, it's clumsy, it's heavy, it's hot, but it's a very cool shoe. And maybe I think I would like to see some metallic flakes in the copper or in the bronze. and more metallic, more shiny on the leather. But that's another pair that I decided to pick up now. In lack of new shoes to order. Here we have should be another pair of 5s. Yeah, all right. The Camo 5 released in 2017. 16 for the copper, 17 for these. Yeah. And why I didn't buy them when they were brand new was because the Camo shoes, if you say Air Jordan 5 Camo, you think of the Supreme sneaker. I would love to have those, but I don't. And then before releasing these, they had like a dark leather camo that was super cool, that I thought was gonna be one of the $400 Jordans. But they were released only for women, GS sizes. And I got so disappointed. So when I got to see these that I liked before, but when I got to see these, I was just so disappointed. I thought it was going to be something more special, but I really wanted the hairness, I think they're called, camo, the camo for women. But these are nice, they're called P51. I'm pretty sure that's after the Mustang fighter plane. And they are sort of special. We don't have your original logo. I think that the camo is 3M reflective. The suede is soft. The suede is super soft. Bright red color on the inside. It's a nice shoe. So yeah, I should have bought them when they were new, but I was just so disappointed that girl model was only for girls and not in my size. But these are nice. And then these should be a pair of LeBron. Sorry for the noise while unboxing. My all-time favorite shoe, I can say that, but one of my absolute favorite model of shoes is LeBron 12. And I absolutely love the 11 as well. And 11 and 12 are the best LeBrons, one of the best shoes ever made. Super comfortable, super nice. I love it that I don't have to lace them. Perfect shoes. But as always, when there are released a new pair of LeBrons, I don't buy the first colorway, hoping there will be something cooler along the way. There's usually not. And then when the model is old and they present the new model, then I start hunting the old ones. But these, I was in Stockholm when these were released. This is the first LeBron 12 that we got. And of course I like the colors, of course, orange and hyper turquoise, almost Tiffany, super cool color. But when they were released, they were actually a bit hyped. And I was already so tired of the hype back then. And I know people that bought these brand new and put them away dead stock, hoping they were going to go up in value. But either way, I bought me a couple of 12s along the time. I always wish that I had more of them. I should have bought more of them from StockX before they raised the taxes and everything, because there are a bunch of 12s that I want. And these were one of them. They call NSRL, that stands for NRSL, Nike Research Lab, something, whatever. But the color is super cool. Orange, bright orange, and turquoise, and the gray. So yeah, LeBron 12, favorite model, one of my favorite models, absolutely my favorite LeBron model, and a cool colorway. So that's what I bought in lack of new shoes to buy, just for fun. Shoes that I should have bought when they were released as new. I think maybe not the Spider-Verse, Spider-Man. but you're gonna probably use them once or twice. This video was used because you're curious. You guys on Instagram are curious about the packages that I get every day. By the way, check me out on Instagram at serbshare.se, where I post my boxes that I get every day and my shoes that I wear that day. So if you want to see more of my shoes and cars, check out at serbshare.se. What do you think about this kind of video? Should I continue with this, or should I just do videos of new sneakers that I buy? Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do something about the sound. Either way, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe if you're not already subscribing. I need those subscribers. Give me a thumbs up, comment, ask me questions. Thanks.